another day on the lake Atitlan. We are going to the other side of the lake now. All this group of people. Enjoy this episode. Becoming very bumpy and the water coming here to us. Scenery is beautiful though. It's gorgeous. Fox view, right?
I don't actually think I'm going to sit. It's more just like how I feel. I'm just so fucking done with being ill all the time. I break my hand, I can't see the after these, I'm sick every week. Like, I'm just so fucking sick of it.
Somewhere. Oops.
Not again. I dried up.
Okay, we arrived at some. Our stop? Yeah. No? Next.
Brother, ayúdame ahí, buena onda. Watch your hands, bro. Vamos.
See you around.
If you wanna come with us,
My arms are soaking.
you're welcome. Thanks.
Huh?
Porque siempre me duelen las cosas después de que me paro.
I don't know, we'll see. You will tell us when we are gonna be in San Pedro.
Alright folks, we are at our place, San Pedro. And we already saw a hostel is over there, people swimming. And it should be fun, man. Are you excited, man? Are you excited or no?
Yeah, a little bit. Not excited. That says a nice song, but yeah.
Wow, folks, we did it. After bumpy ride, we are here at this place of tranquility. All right, folks. So I'm in San Pedro de la Laguna. It's on the other side of the lake. So we just dropped our stuff, our bags in the. We just dropped our bags in the hostel. I'm gonna show you later the hostel. Check in later in 3 hours. So our room's still not ready yet, so yeah, looks like cool place. I might go for a swim now, just somewhere over here. Guys, it was amazing. Nice fresh swim in this clean water. Some local girls swimming also. Nice, beautiful. Traveling is beautiful. This is the most beautiful place in whole Guatemala. And when you're talking about the beach in Guatemala, when you ask locals about a beach, they say Lake Atitlan. They don't say sea, Pacific Ocean or Caribbean Sea. They say Lake Atitlan. Folks, after a nice swim and clearing up this area from the garbage, see the back full of garbage. So and after clearing this area from the small stones, I'm about to go to my hostel to check in. So this is the stones I removed from here, so I can enter. I mean, I can enter, or anyone can enter water like without any obstructions. So here, and it's getting cold, by the way. So here is volcano. One of two volcanoes is just right here. And it's probably gonna be rain soon, and that place is popular for some locals. I see they coming there. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they just, I don't know, having some party probably. Yeah, so generally talking, the place is nice. I really enjoy it, and just can't wait to get my room and to eat something. So stay tuned, folks, stay tuned. Alright, folks, I'm gonna show you my room. I just check it in. So basically it's a small cabin. I don't know what is this, heater or cooler. Yeah, not bad. So only one thing is what I'm worried is about the lock, because these locks look kind of very primitive. See, this looks very primitive, and they say you need your own lock for this. Yeah, so I'm not very happy about this, honestly. So they gave me some lock, but it's not the best, because you can simply screw it up. You see, or just pull it, that's it. And also here you have a kitchen and more cabins. Just gonna show you. So this is the fridge for everyone, water, free water, kitchen utensils. That another fridge, Some locals cleaning. So I need anyway. And you need to put lock on your bag, just to be sure, for safety. Folks, I went to the center to grab something to eat, just walk around. So a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, travel agencies and so on. Still cannot find place to eat.